Morning, Adrian at Engine Carbon Clean. We're in Derby this morning. We've got a multi-vehicle booking for a pair of Mercedes. So we've done the Vito already. No particular issues with that apart from the aircon units packed in. But otherwise, engine was running really sweet in that one. That one only had 46,000 on the clock. We're on to the second vehicle now. Now this one is a Mercedes C220 CDI. Private plate on this, so I've not got the age, but it's a 2.2 engine. Now this one got an issue with the engine light being on when we got to it, and that keeps coming on most journeys, not all, but most. Now, two codes in there. One, there was a current code to do with the fuel temperature sensor, and one was to do with the EGR actuator, which was a stored code. Now, we've cleared the codes down on that, sent it through to the owner. The fuel temperature sensor one pretty much straight back on, but the engine code did not come back on. So that tells us the engine light's getting triggered by the EGR code. The owner can get that looked at now. Looked at the live data on this one, and EGR movement appears to be opening and closing. It's not going full range by the look of it, so it could be a case of that EGR needs taking off, and the kind of oily muck that gathers in there needs taking out, or it could be that it's just not working properly. It's coming up as an actuator code. So not sure of the age on this one, but that can get looked at when he gets into the garage and get that fuel temperature sensor done as well. Otherwise, both of them now lovely, smooth and quiet. This one here, so we've got about another 10-15 minutes to go on this one, but the owner's just popped out and said it sounds really different. Basically stopped it vibrating and shaking so much. Nice and quiet now. Get this through to the end point, and then he can get it booked in at the garage and get those bits looked at.